what is a personal brand? How do you define that, being the expert in the field?
So it's not a new concept. It is actually super basic. To me, it's your name. It's your name. It's your reputation. I know a lot of people like what people say about you when you're not in the room, but a brand, even like the cookie or whatever it might be, all of it's an experience. And to me, it's also how people feel about you, whether you're in the room or not. It's what I find about you when I Google you. It's all of those things together. And it's especially relevant right now because to me, your personal brand is your business. Before it had to be resumes and referrals, but now you can help own your own story and navigate that yourself. And I always tell people are going to Google you. I haven't met someone new or made a purchase without Googling them. And a lot of people are waiting in order to kind of